Can you show off my Victoria's Secret bag? Just kidding, it's so pretty.
This is her Victoria's Secret bag, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing my friend's makeup. Her name is Yesenia. Introduce yourself.
Hi. I'm super awkward.
That's okay. So this is Yesenia. She works with me at Master Cuts. She's putting her face on my hands. Instead of her face in my hands, you know what I mean? Her face on my hands.
You have to explain it.
You know? So yeah, I'm gonna be doing her makeup today. Okay, so we're gonna prime her face. First, let me go wet her sponge. So today we're gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Now we're gonna do the foundation. Today we're using the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, shade 118. So now we're gonna do the concealer. We're gonna use the Tarte Concealer Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. So we're gonna focus on the areas where we want light on the face. So we're gonna do here. Alright guys, so we're gonna do the eyebrows off camera and then we'll finish off the look on camera. We'll be back with the eyebrows. So now we're gonna finish off the eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel.
Looks really good.
Works really good.
Leaves them stiff.
Leaves them stiff. Looks good. We're gonna jump to the eyeshadows. This is the scary part, guys. I don't want you to see the colors I'm using, so I want you to close your eyes. They're gonna be warm tones, so that way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So today we're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is weird as hell. Oh, sorry, camera guys. I'm blocking you. Camera guys, like we have a crew. Today we're gonna be digging into the 35F Morphe palette, Fall into Frost. So we're gonna be digging into Visible, which is this one here. We're gonna be using that for the inner corners of the eyes. So yeah, we're gonna be going into the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and we're gonna do the bottom of the eye with that little red that we did on the outside corner here. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this because I really want this to stand out. Yeah, it does. But I mean, if it were more pigmented, it would.
Yeah.
Sorry, Jaclyn Hill. Okay, no shade. Okay, we're gonna do the other eye. I mean, I feel like it's pretty done. I mean, it looks like kind of like what you do. You know, it's very natural, neutral,
Yeah.
warm tone. Jaclyn Hill basic. You know? Let's jump to the other eye. It'll give you a better view of what I just did. So today we're using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, so it's on. Glitter glue is on. Wow. Check it out.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Now we're gonna do the eyelashes. We're gonna use a step-by-step contouring palette by Smashbox. It's the small version. And now we're gonna be using the MAC blush in shade Peaches.
I love it. It's my favorite.
And now we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. AMREZY. AMREZY too, girl. Are you Rezi? Is it AMREZY or AMREZY? I don't know, but okay. Well, we're using her highlighter. Blinding. Now we're done with the highlighter and we're gonna do the lips. Oh, first let's do the setting spray and then we'll do the lips. We're gonna be using the Kat Von D liquid.
Liquid?
We're gonna be using the Kat Von D liquid lipstick, bow and arrow.
I know. Okay.
Don't worry. It's going good, it's going good.
You're the one that's laughing. Why are you laughing?
Alright, and now that we're done with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick, we're gonna be doing the Wet n Wild Mega Last liquid catsuit lipstick in the shade of NUDIE PATOOTIE.
Yeah.
I go like that. Poppin'. See?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Looks nice.
It does look nice.
It looks really good. Well, you guys, I think we're done with the look. Yeah, we'll be doing another video soon, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to follow her on Instagram, her Instagram is
Sensylvane. Or Send Us Hair.
Send Us Hair. Which one do you want?
Both.
Okay, Sensylvane and Send Us Hair. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and that way you can follow her. And if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.